Kesheen is your stainless steel jewelry manufacturer if you're after premium quality jewelry to win over loyal customers. From design to manufacturing, we commit to quality and sustainability, supporting brands to grow, evolve, and make their mark in the market. Premium stainless steel jewelry is all the rage these days, with big-name brands itching to roll out pieces that are waterproof, hypoallergenic, and super sturdy. But achieving these top-notch qualities requires top-of-the-line gear, skilled artisans, and a strict eye for quality. In this video, let's dig into how Kesheen makes sure every little detail is just right. Crafting premium stainless steel jewelry begins with precise design. Your design sketches or plans undergo careful scrutiny, where we fine-tune every detail, including the final shape, size, style, and decorative elements. Once the design gets the green light, we dive into laser cutting to bring it to life. Our advanced laser cutting machines work wonders, slicing out the flat pattern with precision. This means your final product stays true to your design every time. Once the initial shape is laser cut, we take things up a notch with precision CNC. This step ensures that your design's three-dimensional shape and any inlaid slots are spot-on accurate, down to the finest detail. If you're aiming for a 3D design with hollow, CNC is an absolute must. Once we import those 3D design blueprints, it's go time for the CNC machine. Following those designs, the CNC machine churns out jewelry accessories with incredible precision. Next, in the polishing process, we make sure to remove the burrs generated during previous processes. At Kesheen, we've got a 5-round polishing routine to tackle those burrs and really make them shine like a mirror. Once the polishing is done, we don't stop there. Every part gets a thorough clean in our ultrasonic cleaning machine, followed by a stint in a high-temperature vacuum oven to ensure they're completely dry and ready for the next step. Prior to PVD plating, our inspectors conduct a meticulous check on all components. Their mission: to ensure there's not a speck of dust in sight, guaranteeing that the plating effect remains flawless. During the uploading process, it's crucial to expose the jewelry the right way. After the jewelry is arranged back on the stand within the PVD chamber, then the PVD chamber is securely sealed to create an airtight enclosure. This tight sealing prevents external air from entering the chamber during the coating process. Now, the actual coating deposition begins. During the PVD coating process, particles are vaporized and bonded onto the jewelry pieces, creating a thin and uniform coating layer that enhances their durability and appearance. PVD electroplating offers a versatile range of target plating colors, from classic gold and elegant rose gold to sleek gunmetal, striking black, and even vibrant rainbow hues. At Kesheen, we uphold rigorous quality inspections before kicking off any production process. This holds true for our electroplated jewelry as well. At this stage, our skilled workers carefully unload the jewelry pieces and prepare them for the plating process, setting the stage for seamless assembly down the line. Depending on the design, jewelry may require additional embellishments such as gemstones, enamel, or other decorative elements. These decorations can be glued or set into jewelry. In certain cases, crafting a complete piece of jewelry involves welding and joining various coated components together. This process demands exceptional craftsmanship, along with patience and meticulous attention to detail. Once again, a professional quality inspection is conducted to significantly minimize the rate of defective products, ensuring that only the highest quality items reach your site. Every piece of jewelry will be delicately wrapped in paper and nestled into a small box. This extra step ensures they're protected from any wear and tear during transportation. Only a few jewelry brands truly prioritize exceptional quality. Similarly, amidst numerous jewelry factories, only a handful truly strive for excellence in quality. If your brand DNA places quality above all else, then Kesheen is your ultimate destination. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're thrilled to stand by your side, helping you showcase your brand's allure with our top-notch production technology.